Hello dears, so we start from sentence number 9. He died a glorious death. Here glorious will be adjective of quality. और उसके बाद 10th sentence, say the same thing twice over. अब here the word same will be a distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective means जो डिफाइन करे किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करे. सो दिस विल बी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. उसके बाद a small leak may sink a great ship. Here small will be adjective of quality. उसके बाद several persons were present at the time. जैसे कि हमने पहले ही several word define किया है, तो several word will be indefinite numeral adjective. मीन्स जो definite ना हो, जो वाज़े ना हो, तो वो होगा several adjective. उसके बाद I have black cloud hanging over my head. Here black will be adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. उसके बाद I have like the little toddler who has crooked nose. Little, small, big, these are also adjective of quality. Okay, उसके बाद sentence number 15. He is man of few words. Few, just you can define that few is indefinite numeral adjective, means जो define now few, how many. Few means कुछ is in indefinite numeral adjective. ये define नहीं है, ये वाज़े नहीं है कि कितने. That's why here few word is indefinite numeral adjective. उसके बाद neither party is quite right. Neither party is quite in the right. अब neither, either ऐसे सेंटेंसेस हैं जो हमें बताते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, मीन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं किसी वर्ड को. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव इज नाइदर. आफ्टर दैट किंग फ्रांसिस वाज हर्टी किंग. अब हर्टी मीन्स रम दिल वाला, kind person. So hurty will be here adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. After that 19th sentence will be what time is it. What time means it is an interrogative adjective. He is asking about time. So interrogative adjective will be what word. उसके बाद will be sentence which pen do you prefer. Which will be also adjective of interrogative adjective. Sentence number 22. In the furrowed land the toilsome and in the furrowed land the toilsome and the oxen stand. Here in the furrowed will be also adjective of quality. After that the way was long. Here word long, small, little, these all words are the quality, adjective of quality. My uncle lives in the next house. अब the word next, जैसे कि हमने दूसरे वर्ड्स ऊपर डिफाइन किए हैं, तो नेक्स्ट विल बी आल्सो डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव. डिस्क्रिप्टिव वो क्वालिटी उसकी बताएगा. डिस्क्रिप्टिव नेक्स्ट मीन्स नेक्स्ट हाउस, दूसरा हाउस. उसके बाद ही कम्स हेयर एवरी डे. ही कम्स हेयर एवरी डे. अब एवरी आप बताएं कि एवरी क्या होगा. जैसे कि मैंने दूसरे डिफाइन किए हैं, सेवरल, ईच, एवरी, ओके, मच, लिटिल, सेकंड. So you must have judged from these words कि here every will be what. So you can think, otherwise I will tell you. उसके बाद some dreams are like reality. Some will be demonstrative adjective क्योंकि वो point out कर रहा है. After that I have not seen him for several days. Several will be also indefinite numeral adjective. ओके. उसके बाद अक्रॉस child is not liked. A grass is quality. So this is an adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. After that, there should not be much and there should not be much talk and little work. ये आपको समझ आ गए होंगे कि much will be quality and little is also quality. So adjective of quality or adjective of descriptive. Last one is, it is an ill wind that blows nobody any good. So ill word will be here adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. So if you haven't understood, please watch my previous videos. आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी क्या है, इंडेफिनिट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव क्या है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव क्या है. So first of all, you must know about the class of adjectives. Definitely you can understand. So this was a practice